Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity Breeding Cooldown Chart. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Breeding is a crucial aspect of the game as it allows players to create new Axies with unique characteristics. To start breeding, you need to understand the breeding cooldown chart, which determines how long you have to wait before breeding an Axie again. The cooldown period is based on the number of times an Axie has been bred, with the first breed having no cooldown, the second breed having a 5-day cooldown, the third breed having a 7-day cooldown, and so on. The breeding cooldown chart is as follows. First breed has no cooldown. Second breed has a 5-day cooldown. Third breed has a 7-day cooldown. Fourth breed has a 9-day cooldown. Fifth breed has a 13-day cooldown. And sixth breed and above has a 14-day cooldown. It is essential to plan your breeding strategy to minimize the cooldown period and maximize your Axie production. One of the best practices is to breed your Axies during the early stages of the game, when the cooldown period is shorter. You should also prioritize breeding Axies with high-quality traits and stats to increase their value. Another key concept to consider is the energy system, which limits the number of actions you can take in a day, including breeding. You should manage your energy wisely to ensure you have enough to breed your Axies when needed. In conclusion, understanding the Axie Infinity breeding cooldown chart is vital to success in the game. By following the chart and planning your breeding strategy, you can minimize the cooldown period, maximize your Axie production, and increase your chances of success in the game. Remember to always prioritize breeding Axies with high-quality traits and stats, and manage your energy wisely to get the most out of your breeding experience.